We'll guide you through how to add a second Gmail account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Gmail, and so you want to go and add in a second account. We're going to guide you through this step by step so you know exactly what you need to do. So make sure it's this full guide. So it's really convenient having another account in Gmail, as perhaps you already have the account and you want to go and log in and sign into it, or alternatively, you're looking to go and create a second account. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through the steps. If you already have the account, perhaps currently you're signed into your work account and you want to add in your personal, or vice versa. You're currently using your personal and you want to go and add in your work account so you can easily go and switch between them. Or you're looking to go and create another Gmail for whatever reason. Perhaps you just need a second one for something else. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. And you can easily go and switch between them as well. We're going to guide you through this. So first of all, you can come to Gmail or Google because it's going to be a part of the same system. Google and Gmail are the same company. And then what you need to do is you need to go and head to the top right. There you're going to go and find your profile icon, as you can see, and you want to go and click on it. You're going to go and see your main account at the top here. Now you should go and see the option for add account. If you already have multiple accounts in Gmail, you need to go and press the option for show accounts. You can expand that and then you'll see a button for add another account. And then you can go and add it. But you need to expand it first if there are multiple. In this case, I just have one, so I just have the add account button here. And so then what we can do is go and click on it like so. And now we're brought to the sign-in page. So if you have an account, enter in your email or phone, and then press next, and you can enter in your password. I'll do it in a moment. But if you're looking to create an account, press create account. Then you can choose if it's your personal use, for your child, or for work or business. In this case, I did for my personal use, and you can then go and start the process there. But in this case, I'm going to go and sign in. So I'm going to go and enter in my Gmail email. Then I can go and press next, and I'll need to go and enter in my password. Here we are. I've now successfully logged in and I can go and start using it. If you want to go and switch accounts, all you need to do is go and press your profile icon in the top right. You can then press show more accounts to expand it, find the account, and you can click on it to then go and switch to it. Add more if needed here as well.